we are home and I have something to show you. My babies. Look at all my babies. Oh, soon they will die because it's very cold. See this one? It cannot almost hold all the flowers. See, it's really full of flowers, as in they really make me happy every time I come home. Ay, so beautiful. I almost cut them in the summertime because they don't have flowers, and my other plants, all of them have flowers, but this one nothing. I did not know that this kind of flowers, they are for autumn. So now they really are super beautiful. Look at that. Every week I take some of it and I put in my altar. Kita ko sa inyo kung anong mga napamili namin. Here, this is from Frutex. This one. Candles for the Advent. It's 35 kroner. And bananas. I bought only 2 because banana will not eat. It's only me. So this is 2 kroner each. And then avocado. May kamahalan dito ang avocado. This is 28 kroner and it's only 700 grams, 28 kroner. Siguro kung sa atin, ano na to? 28. Around 200 pesos ito. Mahal ang avocado dito. This one is for the decoration of the Advent together with this one. This is 10 kroner. And this one, my favorite, Clementine. Mura lang. 10 kroner. It's only 10 and this is 1 kilo. Here. And butter. 12 kroner. And look at this. Ay, kadako. Pineapple, 20 kroner. And then, Fleskestein. How much is this? Yeah, it's on sale. It's only 78.96 kroner. And then, this one. Beer. For the Nisi. For the, what you call that? Elf? Something. They have their tradition or belief that on Christmas Eve, they will give the elf also some beer and some food. So, Bana is used to it. So, we bought this one and this is... How much is that? Yeah. This is only 4 kroner. Very affordable. So, all in all, ito lahat from Frutex. Ang nabayaran namin is 246.71. In peso is like 1,750 pesos. Ito, lahat. Yes. And then, ay ano ba, bakit ba may nagbukot-bukot pa ko ano eh, kananang mas balay. And then, Then from Quickly, we went to Quickly also. So here we have the eggs. This is 23.95. This is 15 pieces of eggs, 23.95. And this one, potatoes. This is like little expensive because this is good for making brown potatoes. This is 22 kroner, 1 kilo. And then here, this is the one. I'm really happy. It's really a good price for me because it's on sale. Look at that. It's good for making steak. It's only 30 kroner now. Before, it was 67.50, so it's more than half price. So me and Bana have decided to buy 3 of it because it's only 30 kroner. It's very seldom that they will put it on sale. Very seldom. So we grab the chance. So this one, it's 90. And here, this is also very cheap. Look at this. Pork liver. And this is 1.390 kilo. It's almost 1.4 kilo. And look at the price. It's only 20 kroner now. Before, it is 45.73. So, ang ganda talaga pag maka-timing ka na nag-markdown sila kasi laki talaga ng discount. Super. Imagine 20 for 1.4 kilo of liver. And I really like it. This one, this is 1.5 kilo carrots and it's 16 kroner. And this one, what is this? Bana is the one taking it. What is this? Ah! Glow stick. How much is this one? It's 24.95. So, all in all, from Quickly, we paid 193.90. So, pag itotal natin lahat, from Foodtix and Quickly, 200. So, it's 400. All in all, 400. Mahal, no? Diba? Pag i-convert natin sa pera natin, mahal na siya talaga. 400. So, it's like 4 times 7. Around 3,000 pesos. That's how it is here. Around 3,000. So, I'm very happy because ang laki ng halin ako sa botilya. I was like around 235 something. Very happy. I hope makakulikta pa kung daghang botilya. Para na ako isod sa kong alkansiya. Pakitaan ko sa kong alkansiya. Kadali lang. Mao ni ako alkansiya, diba? Dako kayo eh. Nanay sulodaan. Nanay. Pila man akong papel. 150 na yun. Isulod ako akong bagong halin. Akong halin today. 220, 30, 32. 233.50. So, ilunod na po natin sa atong alkansiya. Yay! Daghan nagsulod. So, magbabay na ko ninyo. But before that, I wanna say thank you. Daghang salamat ninyong tanan. sa pagsuporta sa akong channel. You make me very happy. Thank you for always watching my videos. To all my silent viewers, my subscribers, thank you very much for the support. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye!